Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will talk about the optional module titled Mail Anywhere. With Mail Anywhere, you can integrate your email account to save important emails and attachments onto client profiles and case profiles. Now, in order to use this feature, you must be signed up to the optional module titled Mail Anywhere. Let us log into the caseworker portal. The first thing we'll want to do is integrate our email with our eIMMIGRATION account. Let us go into the User Preferences. From here, we will go to the tabs on the right and locate Email Accounts. From there, we will click on Add Email Account. We have a variety of choices, starting from our more common ones like Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, but we also have the ability to enter our own email. Once you plug in your login credentials and settings, you will be connected and can now use the Mail Anywhere function. Keep in mind though, sometimes when plugging in your email info, you will get an error. More often than not, the reason is security settings in your email account prevented the connection to a third-party software like ours. Usually, you will receive an email directing you to give eIMMIGRATION access to your emails. Also, if you're using your own email services, make sure you have the correct info and admin rights to grant a third-party solution like ours to access your emails. You will insert the info until finally establishing a connection between your email provider and eIMMIGRATION. Now, let us test out this Mail Anywhere. Let us go into a client's profile and see how this works. From within the client profile, we will go into the Documents tab. Let us choose the Other section. However, it is important to note that similar functionality occurs anywhere you upload images or documents in the system, whether it be in the client profile or the case profile. We will add a document. We will give it a name. We have the option of saying who we received it from, and lastly, we will select the file location. From here, we will see our email as an option. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking us to insert our password for the email account. Once we insert it and click on Next, we are now inside our email. We can go into different folders of our email such as Inbox, Notes, Spam, or any folder you have in your emails. For this example, we will go to our inbox and our emails will be listed. We will now locate the email we want to save. Right next to each email, we will see a preview icon to see the contents of the email. Once we've located the email, we will select it in the Actions and click on Next. By default, the email body and any attachments will be selected to be saved. However, you can always uncheck the ones that you don't need to be saved. You can then rename the file to help you identify the email. Once you have all your info set, you can finalize by clicking on Finish. You will finalize this by clicking on Save and Close. Now that you have this email saved, whenever you want to access this email, you will simply come to the client profile. Go to the section you saved it, such as Other. You will see a downloadable link. When clicked, it will download the document as a PDF to your desktop, tablet, or phone to view it through there. A quick and easy way to store important emails. This concludes our video on Mail Anywhere. Thank you for watching.